Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll quickly show you how to use the Dasher app with Apple CarPlay so you can make your deliveries even smoother and safer. If you're a Dasher with an iPhone, good news. You can now sync the Dasher app with your car's built-in screen using CarPlay. This lets you focus more on the road and less on your phone, while still using key features like navigation. Here's how to set it up. First, connect your phone to CarPlay. Depending on your car, that's either through Bluetooth or with a USB cable. Once you're connected, the Dasher app should automatically show up on your CarPlay screen. If it doesn't, no worries. Just navigate to your list of apps on CarPlay and tap on the Dasher app to open it. Quick tip: make sure you've switched to in-app navigation within the Dasher app settings. That way, your navigation experience will work perfectly with CarPlay. What features are supported? Right now, the Dasher app on CarPlay lets you use turn-by-turn navigation and start or end your navigation from your car's screen. When you're not actively navigating, it'll show a map of the area and your current location. A few more things to know. The CarPlay version shows a more simplified screen to help you stay focused while driving. Your phone screen stays the same. Nothing changes there. What about Android users? As of now, this is only available for iOS and CarPlay, but DoorDash says they're working on bringing it to Android Auto in the future. And finally, make sure your Dasher app is updated to at least version 2.292.0 to access this feature. That's it. Now you're ready to dash with CarPlay safely and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.